Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case you may be new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video, 15, 20 hours from after I post it, then yeah, the chart may look a little bit different for you. But from a presentation standpoint, I want to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And in order to do that, I'm going to talk about more so general levels and then walk you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the Bitcoin, I realize I'm saying this, but cryptos as a whole have been getting beat up quite a bit. And things actually got worse over the weekend as things, made that plunge back downwards. However, to give credit where credit's due, as of the recording of this video, the bulls have made a nice move back to the upside direction, which now prompts a more than valid question of, yeah, the price has made a good move, but is there any sort of, true strength behind it? So the main question here that I want to kind of focus on, and, I'll talk about how this is going to help, is all revolving around this green line right there at basically 36.90. So why is 36.90? Well, this is the question that you need to ask yourself. So let's just say you're watching this video 20 hours from now. Question number one is, where's the price at relative to 36.90? If you are answering the price or the question that the price is still up above that level, then that implies that progress is still possible. What do I mean by that? Well, let's say that when you're watching this, it's down actually right around here. But to be fair, it's still up above there. Well, that means that the price could still ultimately turn around and do something like that. And what would that give you for more so a bigger picture? That would give you a set of lows right there. That would give you a set of lows there if you envision each of these as stair steps. Well, then overall, the stair steps are still technically making progress in the upwards direction. And that's what you want to see. That's what bullish moves are going to do over time, right? They're going to make progress forward. They're not going to go back to where they were, which I'm assuming kind of insults your intelligence. No kidding, a price movement with true power is going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So, I mean, when you think about what happens, again, 15, 20 hours from now, you're watching this video and you're answering the question is down below 36.90. So if the price is down here, well, what is that doing at that point? That's telling you that literally the price is right back in this area of the chart where it was before the nice, bounce move happened. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. So that 36.90 mark is definitely a very important level. That's going to help dictate just the current status of things. Now, of course, little common sense comes into play if you're watching the chart, or if you're watching this 15 hours from now and, the price is up here at, 3,900. Well, of course, not only is the price up above 36.90, it's just separated that much further to the upside. So yes, that would be that much more of a bullish situation, but kind of the minimum level that I'd want to see the price stay above because of, the progress point it represents is at 36.90. So let's see if over the next 24 hours, the price can stay up above that area or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.